So guys, today I am going to show you how can you download this Minecraft education in your desktop, in your laptop or in your other device. Okay, so for this first you have to come here and you will write Minecraft education. Okay, and you will find this link, or you can get the link from the description under below. Okay, so you can click the link. Once you will click the link, you will find this type of interface. Okay, you have to click this on the Windows. If you have iPad, you can use this. If you have MacBook, you can use this, or on mobile, you can use this. Okay, for the desktop, we will use Windows. Okay, again, for the iPad, you can use this one. So I click on Windows. The same process will be for all the devices. After that, you will find this interface. Just you have to click on it and it will download on your desktop or your iPad or whatever device you are using. You will click the link. You will find this on your download in your desktop or whatever device again you are using. Once you download, it will come in your download folder. Okay, you will double click on it and click on install. It will start downloading. You have to wait for this. You can see it's downloading on your desktop or your device. I will suggest download Minecraft Education from the link what I give you in the description. So you will install the correct Minecraft Education. So you can see now it has been downloaded in your computer, and once it will be 100% you will find this type of interface. Okay, you can log in with your school email address or your Outlook, your Microsoft email address. You will write your password here, click on sign in, and after signing in you will find this type of interface. The first thing you will see, the screen is half. Okay, so what you will do for the full screen, you will go to setting, you will come here in the video and make the full screen. Okay, so the screen will be full like this. If you don't want sound, if you want to close the sound, you want to minimize the sound, so what will you do? Again you will go to setting. Before we click on video, now you will click on audio, and from here you can choose which sound you want, yani you want to increase or you want to decrease. Okay, or you want to stop, so it's on you. From this hanger sign you will choose the skin color. You will click here and you can choose the skin color, which skin color you want. You can choose from here. Okay, these are the friend's skin, these are you. Okay, so you can see here team up, different types of characters you will find. You can scroll down and see. If you click on plus sign you will find more. Okay, so this hanger sign allows you how you will look like inside the Minecraft when you will start to play. So if again I go to setting, just you can see different options here. You can read this how to play. Okay. um, you can change your keyboard and mouse setting if you are using the keyboard, so you can choose the button from which button they will attack, drop item and whatever. Okay. Also you can change the language. If you come down in the last, you can change the language, which language you will use inside the game. So you can check all these options when you need. So guys, in the next video I will show you how to play Minecraft Education. You can install this Minecraft Education in your laptop, in your desktop, and again in any of the device. Once you will open this link on the description, you will find on the desktop, in the Windows, iPad, or which device you are using. Okay guys, so install this Minecraft. In the next video I will show you how we will start and how we will play Minecraft Education. So till the next video, take care, bye.